So you just got your hands on the Canon PIXMA TR4700 and you're trying to figure out how to connect it to your Wi-Fi. This video has got you covered. The Canon PIXMA TR4700 printer setup is pretty easy, and honestly, it takes less than 5 minutes to complete. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the whole process, connecting the printer to your wireless network and using the app to start printing. And yes, if you need additional help, dial the on-screen numbers anytime for a quick one-on-one expert guidance. Now, let's begin with the process.
Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date.
Press the Setup Mode button on your printer. Then, you should select Wi-Fi Setup. Scroll down and select Manual Connect. Choose your Wi-Fi network from the list. After that, press OK again to enter your Wi-Fi password. Now, type in your Wi-Fi password and press OK. Once it connects, press OK. Download the Canon Print app and you can start printing your documents.
If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.